Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can show battery percentage on iPhone. So to get started, without customization you won't be seeing your battery percentage on your iPhone. So what you gotta do is go to your settings. Now you'll be seeing the settings of your mobile phone. Now scroll all the way down until you see battery. Once you have found the option battery, simply tap on it. Now here you will be appear with two options. One is battery percentage and another one is low power mode. So in order to show your battery percentage, simply enable the option called battery percentage. Now as you can see on the screen, your battery percentage is visible right there. So that's how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.